say a warm welcome to all of you, myself Kushi Vora. As well as we know that lockdown is going on. So the Vijay Sir of Mani International Innovative School is taking our lectures. So let's begin. Mr. Jay was a high school dropout. After struggling, he got a job which is a dead-end job. For this job, Mr. Jay woke up at 5 a.m. Then he had to travel 2 to 3 buses to reach his office. Then after the then after job, he leave at 7 p.m. and get and reach their home. Then doing same routine for a month, but after a lot, he have a less money to survive itself. In a small apartment, by doing this thing for a month, Mr. Joy was so tired. Then he realized that no one will come to help him. He don't want to live like this. Now, however, he needed to change his life. He also know that no one will come to help him. He need to help himself. Then we follow one thing is in his life. Then he follow one thing in his life which changes entire life. By becoming a great salesman and a manager, he exported more than 25 million cars in Canada. After that, he became more successful businessman, consultant, speaker, who earned millions of money, and all these things happened by his habit of books reading. After taking the decision to change his life, he started reading books about self-improvement, self-motivation, confidence, communication, etc., etc. And this is the habit who changes his entire life. So someday I'll end. If you ask 100 people about his dream, that when you will work on your dream, 80% of people will say that one day I will definitely do. After exam I will definitely do. And I will do after holidays. But the truth is that the one day never comes. Because 80% of people have a disease which is called exudative. Because 80% of people have a disease which is called exudative, mean giving excuses to people, not working on dream. Now who fight with this disease? They are called winner. Now who fight with this disease? They are called winner, and which are defeated by this disease is called loser. For this, the first step is to fill the application and buy the ticket, then go away from the victim area. Just come and of the just come out of the exudative island. By giving excuses, take action. Now in our mind, say that no, my reasons are very genuine and I never give the excuses, or I never have time, I don't have enough money. Now I will ask you one question to ask yourself that some people think that they are not growing in his or her life because they struggle in their childhood, or they are not going to gym because they don't have much time to go gym after their office. They are not creating their successful business because they don't have good connections, don't have money. But truly think by your heart that this is the real reason, or truly not. Is a single person who sees the same problem in his or her life. Which people is more busy than you? By this they are going to gym. By not having good connection and money, they create his good and great business and he become more successful than you. Well, if you sincerely think or notice, many people will notice well they have problem bigger than you, but they are successful because by not giving excuses, they fought with it. They achieve their goals or dreams. So when they can do it, why can't we? So remove this number one habit if you want to achieve something is law of least resistance. If in front of maximum people, we put two ways to choose. One way is to read books to improve yourself, the difficult way, and the second is to go with friends in club, playing PUBG, wasting time. But maximum people think to choose first way, but they will choose second way because second way is easy. Hence, there are maximum chances that our brain forcefully will choose simple way. Even we are knowing that the difficult way will improve us. They will complete our dreams as well achieve our dreams. Then only we will choose the easy way. And this is the big problem. And to fight with this problem is the best trick is self-discipline. Self-discipline means which thing you must do whether you want to do or not. And this is the characteristics of is and in this the characteristic is very important which is seen in successful people. Even you must put this characteristic in your life because maximum unsuccessful people do not have this habit in themselves. Remember one thing that in themselves or to reach our success, but remember that sorry there is lift not available to reach our success, but the stairs are always available to reach our success. One self-discipline and first one self-discipline and success. Stop. Sorry, I mistakenly said stop. H.I. Hunt is a businessman of oil who says there are the three requirements of success. First, decide what you exactly want. Second, decide what you will give in return. And third, use the price which you have to decide to achieve the goal. You have to learn unique things by our experts. Second is self-discipline and character to bring self-discipline in ourselves. One thing which will help you in your characteristic, which is made up by our personality. Our personality has three parts. First is self-idea, second is self-discipline, third is self-esteem. Our personality has three types of things. So, first is self-idea, second is self-image, third is self-esteem. We can say that here I want to become an ideal person who is perfect as per you. In success people, we see their self-idea is very clear. In unsuccessful people, usually their self-idea is not clear. Means like a mirror in which we see. So, and human beings are a choosing organism. Take high, valuable.
नमस्ते पेरेंट्स, आप सभी को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा? आप सभी को धन्यवाद करता हूँ ये वीडियो देखने के लिए। मैं विजय मुकुंद, मनी इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी स्कूल का मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर। पेरेंट्स या स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो वीडियो देख रहे हैं आप सभी को मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ, मनी इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी स्कूल मुंबई का पहला स्कूल है जो बच्चों को उनका ताकत पहचान के, उनका पैशन पहचान के, उनका टैलेंट पहचान के उनको लाइफ में आगे बढ़ने के लिए उनको तैयार कर रहा है। तो आप सभी से निवेदन करूंगा कि जितना हो सके इस वीडियो को आप अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप के थ्रू, फेसबुक के थ्रू, ट्विटर के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम के थ्रू लोगों को फॉरवर्ड करें और हमारे साथ जुड़िए। यहाँ पे नर्सरी से लेके 15वीं तक का बच्चा प्लस ज़िंदगी में जिसने पढ़ाई नहीं की या पढ़ाई करना चाहता है, कोई भी उम्र का बंदा हमारे साथ जुड़ सकता है, हमारे ये संस्था में एडमिशन ले सकता है। तो अभी आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हुए गए लिंक पर क्लिक करें और एडमिशन का फॉर्म भरें। आप कोई भी उम्र के हो, ये फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है। पढ़ाई एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको ज़िंदगी भर काम आएगी और मनी इंटरनेशनल इनोवेटिव स्कूल में वही पढ़ाई की जाती है जहाँ पे आपको आपके लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल कैसे होना है वो सिखाया जाता है। तो आप सभी का मेरा मनपूर्वक धन्यवाद। आप प्लीज़ ये वीडियो शेयर करें और आज से आपकी पढ़ाई करना शुरू करें। आप सभी से मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, निवेदन करूंगा कि ये संस्था में, ये स्कूल में एडमिशन शुरुआत हो चुकी है। यहाँ पे नर्सरी से 15वीं तक के बच्चे कॉमर्स, साइंस, आर्ट्स के कोई भी बच्चे एडमिशन ले सकते हैं। इसके अलावा कोई भी उम्र के इंसान ये स्कूल में एडमिशन ले सकते हैं और अपने पैशन की ट्रेनिंग ले सकते हैं। तो अभी नीचे दिए हुए गए लिंक पर क्लिक करें और फॉर्म भरें और हमारे संपर्क में आइए। एडमिशन शुरुआत हो चुकी है। जो रेगुलर स्कूल है हमारा ऑनलाइन 15 तारीख से चालू हो जाएगा। ऑफलाइन जैसे गवर्नमेंट हमें बताता है वो हिसाब से स्कूल चालू होगा। तो आप सभी से निवेदन करूंगा, आप जितना हो सके उन लोगों को और सभी लोगों को फॉरवर्ड करें जिनको अपने लाइफ में कुछ बनना है, कुछ करना है अपने पैशन के माध्यम से। वो या फिर कोई स्टूडेंट हो, या फिर कोई जॉब करता हो, या फिर कोई रिटायर्ड पर्सन हो। धन्यवाद।